Hello. First of all, you must connect to the Bluetooth USB dongle. First, you must turn on the microphone device. Then we can use the USB dongle to connect to the microphone device. Enable the Bluetooth pairing mode.
Pairing.
You must use the USB dongle, plug and unplug the twice on your computer.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay, thank you very much. You'll put it over your seat.